the head the west, heavy is the head the west.
Always on the run, gotta exercise the demon. Said he needs weed more than he needs Jesus. Heavy is the head of a heathen. All the shit it brings, call him king for a reason. Sound of my sounds, he's brought up to the clouds, go a pound of weed. Now the quality it won't be around to see, cause only judgments pass when you're found deceased. With a project that has no boundaries, from the onset I didn't have long to breathe. All yins out there real soon to see, the only king around this here parts is me. Got a jester, a queen, and a king to be, a whole court and a kingdom supporting me. Unfortunately, you'll be forced to be in the dungeon eating nothing but pork and beans. Another victim, sick of my sorcery. You got stormed like the shores at Normandy. You didn't have enough horses to horse with me, and now you know king shit is what I'm born to be. Always on the run, gotta exercise the demon. Said he needs weed more than he needs Jesus. Heavy is the head of a heathen. All the shit it brings, call him king for a reason.
I've been feeling guilty, but I'm gonna get better. Hip-hop is my therapy, a demon behind every letter. Second place in a race where I used to set the pace, but I'll be waiting with a hammer when the devil show his face. I'ma do what I please, I got a vision, I'm not finished till my mind's at ease. Yo, anybody got a problem with me, then I'ma escalate it to the 10th degree. Heavy is the head, yeah, it drags me down, so you better get the stepping if you want the crown. Pardon me if it seems like I'm always on the run, me and Rose share the throne like we used to pass.